In this video, you are going to see how to insert a offline video in Microsoft Word document. If I go to insert, you will see the option inserting online video. If I want to insert a video from my PC, let us go to insert, go to object, go to over here object, then go to this option create from file and let us browse it. And let us go to download, and here I have a video in my PC. Click on over here, click on insert. Now you will see two options. If I click on link to file, then here you will see an option changes to the source file will be reflected in your document. I don't need this option. Let me uncheck it. Now if I want to click on over here display as icon, then it will show as a icon. Now this one is useful. If you want to change the icon, click on over here. You will see three icons. Let us choose this one. Click on OK. Then click on OK. You can easily increase or decrease the size using this button. Now let us click on over here. Click on open, and here you will see in this video you are going to see how to, and here you will see I can easily open the video from my Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.